Well, I don't know if it's too dark to film, but it was still raining earlier on, so I couldn't come down, but I think the water's come up a bit more now. As you can see, it's all up on, coming up the banking now. As you can see, it's very nearly up to the old tide line mark from the other day. There's a lot of water going down there. Well, that's one set of steps totally underwater. And it's not going to take much more before it comes up on this banking. I don't think there's any ducks here today, even though I did bring some feed down for them. I think they've cleared off to higher, drier ground. Well, I've just picked this up off the banking. Bit of pottery, just plain. Yeah, just right there. Top of another set of steps. So we'll let that carry its journey on. Well, that's another set of steps nearly underwater. Like I say, not much more for it to come up. I think it'll still be coming up now, even though it's stopped raining, but it's all the runoff further upriver. In fact, there's a lot of runoff over there from the fields. Well, that's the set of steps I normally go down onto Ribble Beach there, all underwater. Well, might be a bit dark for filming, but we'll try. The little stream that comes out down there and comes under through a pipe out into the river there, well, it's flowing over the top today. Well, even the fishing spot is well underwater. That's a handrail that's as high as one of these. That's telling you how deep it is and how much it's come up. Well, what a difference a bit of rain makes to that where I was larking in it yesterday. 24 hours later, 24 hours later now. No chance of finding out in there today. Well, it's goodbye from me for today.